Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ronald Reagan Fox Omumbo. As I'm telling you right now, I'm on London here. This is London Eye. The parliament is around here. So I'm doing a documentary to talk about the policy that the government has done, the government of the United Kingdom. They have made sure that they have given a license to scientists to make embryos. So very soon, you're gonna see half man, half animal after that announcement made by the parliament to give the license to scientists to make embryos for women. So you cannot trust that, because soon you're gonna see half man, half animal. Embryos of a human being plus an embryo of an animal, you will see a mixed DNA of an animal and a human being. So those are the consequences of what they are doing. So once again, government policies and whatever, they are making all that, but they are corrupting the world. Nice to meet you once again, Ronald Reagan Fox. You guys think of the point I'm trying to say and visualize about it. And secondly, what's happening for the rest of the world is all about populational decrease by the West. Nice to meet you guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.